So happy Fatwood Friday, everybody. We're back here in Camp Deadwood. I'm still in the construction phase and burned some of this old stuff laying around that's no good for construction and stuff. So let's get the fire going. Bark in here. Something that'll burn. So since that one didn't want to burn, just not enough, we had let me up a chunk here, and we're gonna get it burning. One way or the other, folks, we're gonna get some fire going today. Get some of this stuff burning. Definitely see the black smoke coming out. So Fatwood Friday. Hope everybody's doing good, and hear how wet that is. So hope everybody's doing good, and I'm going to let you all out here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe as always, and watch to the end. I'll see you again next time.